Welcome to the channel. My name is James and I will be telling you about 3 best free SEO tools. Please subscribe to the channel by pressing the bell icon. Answer the public. Find 150 plus keyword ideas in seconds. Most SEO tools get their data from the same place. The Google Keyword Planner. 1. Answer the public is different. This awesome tool finds questions that people ask on forums, blogs and on social media. And it turns those questions into awesome keywords. Best feature. vs. Keywords. You'd be surprised how many people search for X versus Y keywords in Google. For example, iPhone versus Android or SEMrush versus Ahrefs. And Answer the Public has a section of the results dedicated to vs. Keywords. 2. ubersuggest. Get keyword suggestions and competition data. ubersuggest has a lot of features that are usually only found in premium SEO tools. But it's 100% free. And ubersuggest will give you detailed data on keyword difficulty, monthly search volume, and more. Plus, you get a list of suggested keywords that are based on the keyword you typed in. Best feature. Comparisons. This feature shows you X versus Y keywords. In my experience, X versus Y keywords are super untapped. Sure, they may not get as many searches as traditional keywords. But they're super targeted and high converting. And to my knowledge, ubersuggest is the only tool that specifically bubbles up X versus Y keywords. 3. Best feature. Index coverage report. The index coverage report gives you a list of pages on your site that aren't getting indexed. You can also see how you can get things back on track. Google Search Console. Get SEO help straight from Google. No list of free SEO tools would be complete without the Google Search Console. Why? The GSC is a very feature-rich piece of SEO software. And unlike pretty much every other tool on the market, you know the data is legit. After all, it comes from Google. For example, you can use the Google Search Console as a rank tracker to check your site's rankings in the SERPs. Thank you for watching the video. Until for now, goodbye and don't forget to subscribe.